and welcome again to a segment I like to call Jeremy's Puppy Rant, the Dog Diaries. Let's go! This first segment is called the belly rub, because they really like to have their bellies rubbed. Don't you guys? Yeah. So I know you really liked the seasonal guide to the natural year, so I thought it would be a good idea to read 50 Shades of Grey. Alright, so where were we? So Raoul, I've noticed you've been gaining a lot of weight lately. Right here. So I thought it might be a good idea to weigh you. Okay? Wait, let's go. I'm gonna put you down on the scale. Raoul! You gained a lot of weight! You're like 160. More than 160. What have you been eating? Okay, I think this calls for a workout, Raoul. I think you gotta work out. Like, have you ever thought about that? Like, that you could be hurting other people with your negligence of your body? Raoul? Raoul, have you ever thought about that? Raoul! Raoul! Have you ever thought of that? Okay, it's time for a workout. Let's go. Let's go.
Big arms, feet are about hip width apart. The whole idea of a warm-up. Heat up the body, make it more elastic, keep it from getting injured. That's our goal here.
Raoul, you gotta get more into it.
And make stretching. We're not bouncing the stretch, but we're stretching through movement so that the muscles are getting warmed up and more elastic. Prevent, what is it, girls?
Raoul, you're looking skinnier already. I am naked in a bath with Christian Grey. He's naked. If someone had told me I'd be doing this when I woke up in this hotel yesterday, I would not have believed them. He reaches for a bottle of body wash from the built-in shelf beside the bath and squirts some into his hand. He rubs his hands together, creating a soft, foamy lather, and he closes his hands around my neck and starts to rub the soap into my neck and shoulders, massaging firmly with his long, strong fingers. So as you guys know, I really like my lean cuisine. So I am gonna make a lean cuisine. Just gotta put it in for, how many minutes? Let's see. 3. Look at it cook. Hi! It's Bella's first voice lesson, so we thought she would just get warmed up. Okay, so repeat after me. Okay, now you try. Good job. Raoul! Why did you eat my lean cuisine? We just had a workout. Oh, not again. Come on, let's go. Let's get out of the way, buddy. Come on. Oh my goodness. You even ate the box. Dogs these days. So Bella, you know what's really fun? Talking to you. You're really great, you're a gossip. Bella? Hi. You're really great to talk to. I really like your smell. You have a beautiful smell. You're such a great dog. Hi. Hi. Well, that concludes our video. Another week another Dog Diaries video, and it is great. It's a lovely time with these two. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, check out my social media, do all of the things. Make me happy, shouldn't they? And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your week. Bye! Raoul, say goodbye. Raoul. Say bye. Good job, Bella. Good job, Sam.